Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to program your Toyota Corolla key. First, gather all your existing keys, especially the master key, as it's crucial for this process. Make sure your car's battery is fully charged to avoid interruptions. Before starting, close all doors and remove any metal objects from around the ignition. This ensures a smooth and successful programming experience for your new key. Now, let's get your Corolla into programming mode. Begin by inserting your master key into the ignition. Turn the key from the off position to the on position 5 times, ending in off. Next, open and close the driver's door 6 times. This specific sequence signals to your car's computer that you intend to program a new key, preparing it for the next steps. With your car in programming mode, it's time to program your new key. Insert the new, unprogrammed key into the ignition. Turn the key from off to on just 1 time, then remove it. You should observe the security light flashing, which indicates the car is recognizing the new key. This step registers the key's unique code with your vehicle's system. To exit programming mode, simply remove the key from the ignition. Now, it's crucial to test all your keys, both old and new, to ensure they start the engine and operate correctly. Also, verify that the remote functions, like locking and unlocking the doors, are working as expected. This final check confirms a successful programming process for all your Toyota Corolla keys.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.